Assalamu alaikum. So I will start. When we decided to do this project, we asked ourselves what can help us be better Muslims. So when we thought about it, we knew that during our periods, it's the time where our faith is low. So we decided to do an application which will help us to be better Muslim women during our periods. Yeah. So LunarFlow is an application that helps women track their periods and feel better during them. The user receives religious and positive reminders through notification, which helps her feel better when she has her periods. So the question was, what if we could be at the top of our faith even during our period, even during our premenstrual pain? Like, yeah. So what's new about this application? Because there are a lot of applications which help us track our periods. This application is an application for Muslim women, and the notification will, our aim is to target Muslim women. Our faith and our periods are intimately linked. So especially when we suffer from premenstrual symptoms or menstrual symptoms, it can be physical pain, but it also can be depression phases when we have them. We thought of an application which will give you reminders about your deen and your health. And when I say your deen, it's like quotes from the Quran and the Sunnah, or Islamic quotes in general. Yeah. So LunarFlow is an application that helps us accept and overcome our emotions. In this application, you can add emotion. For example, if you feel sad, there will be a reminder about sadness linked to Islam, etc. You can have notification adapt to the menstrual period, but also the premenstrual period and the ovulation period, because as we know, there are a lot of women who have premenstrual symptoms. So you can have a reminder even when you don't have your period, but you will have them. So you can prepare the week where you will have your period to be more calm and more thoughtful in your faith. This application can make a profit through partnerships with Muslim companies, but especially and also health companies, because as I said, there are a lot of women who have physical pain. So we will help you to have I don't know, there are a lot of tea, natural tea or natural things that you can eat or you can drink that will help you. So it's the money side that we thought of. So let's get technical. We decided to use React Native because Halima and me, I'm sorry, I didn't present myself. I am Umi, and there is Halima, and we are two developers. We are specialized in JavaScript, as we say in English, and the facts. React Native is a way to build application, but not only in iOS or Android, but both. So we thought that it was interesting to learn a new language and to target the two team, like the team iPhone and the team Android. And we used Node.js and MongoDB. So all our database is in MongoDB. We linked some codes to some phases and some codes to some emotions, so we can see in our database the phase ID in some codes and the emotion ID in others. So yeah, and you use also MVC as you can see in our GitHub if you want to. So we shared, sorry, our roles. As you can see, we did a lot of things together. Like we did not want someone to do the front and someone to do the back, so we did both. We switched. For a week there was Halima who did the front, and for a week I did the front. So we shared everything, and it was very interesting to build all of this. So here is the demonstration by Halima.
Hi everyone. I'm sorry, I will make it quick because it's already 29. So this is the first screen when you upload the application. You're on the welcoming screen with a brief explanation of the app's purpose and features. Sorry, it's in French. We forgot to translate in English. Then you have the registration screen where you can register with your email and password. We try to hash the password with bcrypt in the back and have a token with a JWT. And then you can add your date of birth. Then you can have a personalized experience then, but in the future for our application. So this is the dashboard screen. Once we registered, users enter their personalized dashboard. At the top, we have an icon for notifications. Then we have the current month when you can access the calendar. Underneath, you have the section where the user can access valuable information and advice about different menstrual phases. Below that, we implement features to add emotions. Yes, emotions or moods. And then underneath, you have the last reminder that you liked. If you allow our applications to give you notifications, you can find them in your dashboard and in the link below, just in the bottom bar. So with the first button, you have access to the list of quotes. Then you have access to the mood screen or mood feature just here. You can select and add the entry, and it's connected to the calendar. We tried to respect our MVP, but it was hard due to the lack of time. Then the calendar, you can see we let React Native calendar picker, but because we didn't have time to delete all of that. And then you have the profile, but we didn't finish the UI. So we let it for that. In conclusion, our app is not just about tracking cycles, it's about holistic well-being, spirituality, and community. Although we are still working on some exciting features for different age group or other stuff. And we wanted to thank you because it was an amazing journey for us and an enriching experience personally and professionally. And I'm very motivated for the future of my career. And thank you for everyone to listen to us.